Hello everyone and welcome to Monica America. Today we are at the incredible Diwali celebration in Sterling, Virginia. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of India's most cherished traditions. It represents the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. It's a time for families to come together, light lamps, share sweets, and fill their home with warmth and joy. For many, it's also a time to give back, spreading happiness to those around them. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Monica America and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Friends, tonight's event is hosted by Anna Sudha Community Kitchen, a non-profit dedicated to feeding hundreds in need. Anna Sudha is more than just a kitchen, it's a beacon of hope, ensuring that no one in community goes hungry. This evening, they have brought us all together to celebrate Diwali with an amazing buffet of Indian food, delicious sweets, and most importantly, a beautiful sense of community. During the event, I had privilege of speaking with inspiring community leaders including Mike Clancy, a congressional candidate, and several others who have come to join the festivities. Let's see what Diwali means to them and hear their reflection on celebrating this festival here in America versus back home in India.
Namaste or Happy Diwali. The basic difference between Diwali यहाँ पर अमेरिका में और इंडिया में है कि शायद हम ज़्यादा वक्त यहाँ पे बिताते हैं सब चीज़ें करवाने के लिए because we miss home so much. We try to make everything happen over here in time. I enjoy volunteering at AnnaSudha. It's my turn to give back to the community, and Diwali is an opportunity where I'm able to come back here, serve, and give back to the community. Wishing everybody all over the world a very happy Diwali.
What Nupur has done here and put together is pretty incredible. She feeds the homeless. She feeds a lot of our community at pretty discounted rates. I myself have come here with my Women Empowerment Foundation group, and we've done a volunteer day where we've cooked for the shelters. And I've also brought my yoga teacher trainers to do Karma Yoga here. So we try to help out because we know how much she's doing for the community. Happy Diwali to everybody.
Well, I think it's wonderful. With Anna Sudha Kitchens, we have volunteers from our high schools that help out on a regular basis. I am going to ask that more high school students help out and volunteer. And I do want to say, Happy Diwali. Well, I think the community should be involved. More volunteers, of course.
So Hannah for Hope is a nonprofit organization. We strive to go help other nonprofits by providing them funds to go and help others and donate money to those who really need it. Thank you so much for helping our organization, and thank you so much for just donating and helping those who really need it. We really appreciate you guys for giving us this opportunity to be here. Happy Diwali!
दिवाली स्पेशल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इंडिया को मिस करते हैं कि अपनी सारी फैमिली को मिस करते हैं, इंडिया को मिस करते हैं। जब हम अन्नसुधा आते हैं तो हमको लगता है कि हमारा घर है ये हमारा किचन है, ये हमारा घर है, ये हमारे सब लोग हैं, सारे भाई बहन हैं, सभी कुछ। तो जो हम इंडिया मिस करते हैं वो अन्नसुधा हमारी कमी पूरा कर देता है। तो उसके लिए हम हर एक इवेंट पे आते हैं और अन्नसुधा बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा है। हैप्पी दिवाली टू एवरीवन।
इंडिया की दिवाली की तो शान ही कुछ और होती है और द हाईलाइट ऑफ दिवाली ऑफ कोर्स इज़ फायरवर्क्स एंड सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि लोग नहीं देखते कि आप किस प्रांत के हो, किस भाषा बोलते हो या कौन सा रिलीजन के हो। दिवाली तो सभी मनाते हैं। द हाईलाइट ऑफ अन्नसुधा's दिवाली इज़ everybody is welcome. Everybody who's bothered to come or walking through the mall, we're welcoming them in to have a meal with us, enjoy, get henna put, buy some lights, buy some lamps, enjoy mithai, enjoy the yummy khana, garam puri, chole, pani puri, dosa, all the special things that, Diwali generally brings is food, happiness, friends, and laughter. Happy Diwali.
So I'm Mike Clancy, and I'm here to reach out with the South Asian Indian community and to help them celebrate Diwali and the celebration of moving from darkness to light, and to celebrate the movement from evil to good. And that's such a beautiful ceremony, the Festival of Lights, to kick off, to celebrate a new year. And running for Congress, I want to reach out to all the community, be engaged with across the entire community, including the South Asian community, and to have their support and to have work with them and be honored to have their vote in the election. And go to my website, MikeClancyForCongress.com, and make sure you get out to vote. That's how you make a difference. That's how you can impact this country. That's how you make your voice heard, is get out to vote. So thank you so much. Happy Diwali to everyone.
Diwali at AnnaSudha is also an opportunity to celebrate our community at the Dallas Town Center. AnnaSudha is one of the tenants, and it makes it extra special when a whole lot of diverse community members gather in one place and celebrate an important festival, Diwali. And that's why we always come here and celebrate with AnnaSudha. The message of peace and love should resonate much more around this time than any other time in our whole entire lifetimes, actually, because of the world affairs, whatever is going on. It is extremely important that we become more tolerant, more inclusive, and more aware of each other's cultures and heritage, and respect that and embrace that happiness and joy that each culture celebrates with each other. Very happy Diwali to all of you. May this Diwali bring a lot of joy, laughter and happiness in your families and in your communities.
I joined AnnaSudha about 3 years back and I really love it. The main thing is that we are feeding the homeless people. Okay, secondly, we have a pantry which feeds people who are in need of it. And these two services, I wanted to spend my life now after retirement only for the social work, and this is the best one I've seen out of all the kinds I do. And I come here every week twice and spend my time in cooking, packing, serving the people. Anybody hungry can come and have the food here. That is the best part of AnnaSudha. Happy Diwali to all those who have contributed, enjoyed and come here any day and have a good time.
यार दिवाली जो है वो फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स है, हम उसी को सेलिब्रेट करने आए हैं और AnnaSudha जो है वो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त काम कर रहा है हमारी इस कम्युनिटी के लिए, तो उनके लिए तो आना बनता है हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे, और हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम यही आवाज़ उठाएंगे कि दे आर स्प्रेडिंग लव थ्रू फूड, और फूड जो है वो इंसान की सबसे बड़ी कमज़ोरी है। ये हमारा समझे सेकंड होम है, ठीक है, तो हम इसलिए यहाँ पे आते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें ढेर सारा प्यार तो मिलता ही है, लेकिन उसके अलावा ढेर सारा अच्छा मज़ेदार देसी खाना भी मिलता है, तो इसलिए आई लव AnnaSudha.
So basically Diwali, as you know, is the festival of giving and celebrations. So the kids, the small kids, they came up with this noble thought of collecting some funds by making diyas, like handcrafted diyas. So they spent a couple of weeks like buying diyas and hand painting them, and now they are trying to sell these diyas, raise some funds and donate the funds for AnnaSudha, which is doing very good charity work by donating the food to shelters.
Yeah, so our youth group just comes in, helps some volunteers, mix food. The food here is really good. So yeah, there's a great festival happening here today, so it's a good time. Yep.
Thank you very much for your help and
Happy Diwali!
I am Julina. I am from Afghanistan. I am refugee. I came from Afghanistan. Here I heard about AnnaSudha, and this is I just leave my all family in Afghanistan, and I found here new family. I really love them, and they also love people like me, like the refugee. So I'm very happy from there. Please support the AnnaSudha, because they help and they always support people like us, like refugee and other needed people. So we hope to support AnnaSudha, everyone, because they support people like us. Like I am refugee and I was very hopeless and I was new here, but I'm really feeling happy and comfortable, and my need is done by AnnaSudha. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Friends, Diwali is more than just a festival. It carries deep significance for millions worldwide. It's a time for renewal, symbolizing new beginnings and light of hope. For those attending tonight, far from their homeland, even like these brings a comfortable sense of belonging and connections. AnnaSudha Community Kitchen has truly embodied the spirit of Diwali. creating a space filled with warmth, light, and togetherness. And as we close out this wonderful Diwali celebration with Anna Sudha Community Kitchens, we are reminded of the true meaning of Diwali, being a light in the lives of others. This festival is about uniting people and sharing love even when we are miles away from home. Thank you to everyone who shared their stories, to the organizers and volunteers who brought this event to life, and of course to all of you for watching. Wishing you a Diwali filled with love, light, and prosperity. Let's keep the spirit of giving and community alive. Until next time, Happy Diwali. Thank you, and may God bless all of us.